Lord, you all. Okay, now I think we're cooking with gas, as they say, which I'm cooking with electric. It's all I've ever cooked with. I don't know how to cook with gas. Welcome in the kitchen. Welcome in the kitchen. Welcome, 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 welcome. One and all. I'm so glad y'all are here. It's supper time. I've been upstairs working all day. And it's time to get something going for supper. And y'all, I'm just winging it. Just making something up as I go along here. I've just got out a little bit of everything. We're just going to throw it all in a pot. So, in my skillet, as you can probably already tell, I'll turn y'all around so you can see. Now, can y'all see? Maybe I'll sit y'all back there. All right, in my skillet, I have peppers, onions, and celery. Y'all probably already knew that though, didn't you? And in this pot, right here, I've got some water. I'll put me a little bit of salt in there. Just like so. Okie doke. I had this on real hot and it got hot, 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 so I had to turn it down. But now it's doing fine. I'm going to saute all the water out of these vegetables here. Then I got some hamburger meat. I'm going to throw that in there. Then I got a small pint jar of my tomatoes that I canned. Right there. Then I got a can of corn. I got some carrots that I canned. I got a can of navy beans. I've got some Worcestershire sauce. And I have some beef bouillon. And we're going to see what this comes out to be. And I'm going to cook us some pasta right here. And I might get us out some cheese and put it on the top of it. Haven't made up my mind yet. I'm going to taste it. And then I'm going to decide if I want to put cheese on it or if I just want to leave it in a skillet. And just eat it out of the skillet and not even put it in the oven. Which I might do that. This is one of those that I have no recipe for. I don't even know what to call it. I'm going to start cooking and tasting as I go along. And then, we're going to see what we come up with. Okay? So, here we go. These, like I said, I'm just wanting to get all the water out of this. I did put a little bit of butter in there because I want them to kind of fry up just a little bit. All right, some of y'all are new, may not have seen me do this before. Watch over here. I'm going to take this butter right here. Just got me a pat of butter. And I'm going to run it right around the ring of this pot. Right like that. And what is left, just drop down in there. That will keep that pasta from boiling over, you all. That ring of butter right around the top of that pot. I do it every time. I do not have stuff boil over. Not potatoes, not eggs, not pasta, nothing. Does not boil over. That's your handy dandy tip for the day. Unless I come up with a better one somewhere along the way. I'm going to cook this whole thing of pasta. It says to cook it. According to package directions, I'm trying to see how long it says to cook it. It doesn't even tell you. You just cook it till it gets done. All right, let's see if our burger's thawed out here. I've been pretty thawed out. We're going to go with it, whether it's completely thawed or not at this point. And I got 2 pounds, 2 1-pound packages. some more of that water to come out of that before I dump that beef in there. Alright, our pasta water's boiling. Let's dump our pasta in there. Now let me get something to open it up with here. Up we go. That's just 1 bag or 1 pound of pasta. 1 pound bag of pasta. I think it's a pound. Yeah, it's a pound. Alright, now then. Got that water out of those veggies. Now then, let's go in here with our hamburger meat. I got to get my little thing out so I can start breaking this up. Y'all, I'm wanting to have leftovers. So I hope it's good. Comes Mr. Andy in. I thought he was outside. In there in the bed asleep, but he was outside. Out in the very center, this seems to still be a little frozen. You know what? That'll be fine. It'll thaw out. Turn it down just a little bit. Do it like this right here, this way Mama used to do it. Flip it over and over and over and over and over. Y'all do that? Y'all, I'm not going to add any salt because I'm going to use that beef bouillon, and it is real salty, and Worcestershire sauce, and it is salty. I'm having dental surgery this week, so I'm going to have leftovers so the boys can eat. I'll just eat soup for a few days, and they can eat hearty. You know, I'll have freezer stuff for them. That's what I'm doing. I'll put one in the freezer now, you see. They can get it out and heat it up in the oven. That's the reason you make double. Did y'all know that? Cook once and eat twice. Or 3 times. When I do my spaghetti sauce, I usually have enough for 3 meals. So, I guess y'all could do this with chicken if you wanted to. Use chicken bouillon. Probably be just as good. Might even be better. I don't know. Alright, we'll let that cook a minute. Let me get something here and stir that pasta. Turn it back up just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to drain my beans and get them rinsed off, and I'm going to drain my corn and drain my carrots. Y'all, I may need a big thing of tomatoes. Matter of fact, I think I will. I'll be back here in just a minute when this gets fried up. Alright, our beef's all broken up now, and it's just about all browned up good. So let's throw our carrots in. There we go. There's our can of carrots. Here's our can of navy beans. Put that over here out of the way. Here's our can of corn. And here's our jar of tomatoes. I'm going to stir all that up good. And then I'm going to season it. Y'all, look how pretty it is, that red and yellow. I just need some peas, and I don't have any. I'm out of peas, so surprise, surprise, we're not going to have peas in this. We're not going to have peas. But we got plenty of vegetables, so, you know, all kinds of vegetables. Beans and carrots and corn and peppers and celery and onions. They're all vegetables. Harry comes in. Harry's going to turn the lights off. Turn the lights on. All right, now then. Turn that up so it'll get hot. I'm going to go in here with about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. And let's throw some Worcestershire sauce in there. Just, you know, maybe a couple tablespoons. All right, let's stir all this up. If we need more seasoning, we'll add some more. Coco's slapping the door. Andy's come in and left her outside, and she's not real happy about that. No, she is not. She is not happy. Let's get us a spoon so we can taste this. Let's give us a taste here. See what it tastes like. There's a little bit of everything. Goodness gracious, y'all, that's good. Needs a little more seasoning, but it's good. Wasn't sure if I'd like those navy beans in there, but they're good. Another tablespoon. We throw that pasta in here. That's our starch. You could eat this out of a bowl. You can eat it on a plate. You can make a pie with it. Let's just call it kitchen sink supper. It's a little better. It's good too. Put a little more Worcestershire sauce in there. All right, now then, I do think I want some cheese on it. So I'm going to go over here and grate us up some cheddar cheese. Okay? And then we'll put part of this in a baking dish. Let me turn the oven on. And we'll put it in the oven. I'll be back here in just a minute. Okay, I heard y'all. I did. I heard you. You were wanting to know where the mushrooms were, weren't you? I know. I've got them. Trying to find my cutting board. There it is. All right, not too late. We can still add some mushrooms. We just add them right there on the top. And they'll be just fine. These I'm not cutting as thick because I didn't get to saute them first. So I'm slicing them a little thinner than I usually do. Or look at this one. It's a triple mushroom. Look at that. He's getting excited. Mama's cooking supper. He may not like it. I think he will, though. He likes stuff all mixed up like this. My daughter does not. She wants everything separated. But Andy likes it mixed up. Whatever we're having, he takes it on his plate and just mixes it all together. It does not matter what it is. He mixes it all together. There's another piece. I believe that'll be enough. All right, now I'm going to drain this pasta and get it dumped in there. I'll be right back when I get it drained. Well, dang it. Somehow I missed you. I did. Y'all missed me throwing it in the pot, in the skillet. But there's what one of them looks like. It's got pasta noodles in the bottom. And then our mixture. And then we put cheese on top. And I put it in the oven. But I left one in the skillet. Okay? I can just tell you that way, can't I? I added some mushrooms because I heard y'all saying, where's our mushrooms? Where's our mushrooms? I know, I heard you. So, I'll bring y'all back when I get this mess cleaned up. Won't take me but a minute or two. When this gets good and hot and the cheese is real good and melty. The skillet's already hot. The stuff's already hot. The cheese just needs to melt. Just needs to marry a little bit, you know. Have its little time together. Needs a little time together before it comes out of the oven. And then I'll get it out and we'll get ready to eat our supper. I'll be back in just a few minutes. Are y'all ready to eat supper? I am. I think Andy is. Come over here and tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
He's in here with me tonight. He's ready to eat. Look at that. That looks delicious. Doesn't that look delicious? Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna get me a bite of it. Yes, I am. Shh. Right out of the skillet, right here. I'm gonna get a bite. Just a big old bite right here. Need a little bit of meat. Just a little bit of meat. Mushroom. Y'all, that's dadgum good. It really is. I just started throwing stuff in a pot. Just a winging it here. So, y'all don't be afraid just to get in your kitchen and start with the base of something and just start adding to it, because that's what I did. And I've come up with something that I think is really good. I'm going to call it Kitchen Sink Casserole. I think that sounds like a good name because I put everything in it but the kitchen sink. So, we're going to go over here and sit down at this table and eat this up. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.